Morning everyone, Ezra here from Waterfall Crestone Ratepay Association here by Crinkly Nanda Road. Frustrated homeowners, week 6, soon week 7, no water. We reported the faults there. The people sit at the top. They can actually watch how eThekwini vans come here at the bottom. There they're sitting at the top. They watch the eThekwini vans at the bottom. They're there for 2 seconds, get out of the bakkie, get in the bakkie, and they drive off. Don't even phone the people. The entrance is there at the bottom, and here's the people's water meter. This water meter never gets read. No one comes and take a water meter reading here. We've been to the ANC councillor. We've gone to the DA councillor. They tried. No help. We can't get anyone here. We're sitting without electricity. We got potholes. We got all these issues. We got water bills, every third, fourth homeowner water bill between 5,000 and 250,000. Then we ask why we should be members of ratepayers associations. Because if we don't stand together, we're not going to get these issues resolved.